If Chrome is showing a download interrupted error while you're trying to install an extension, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by unstable internet, a VPN or proxy interfering with the download, Chrome's safe browsing protection being too strict, or even a Windows policy restricting certain downloads. By the end of this tutorial, you should have a much better chance of getting your extension installed properly. And before we get into it, if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the simplest cause, your network connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt extension downloads before they finish. If you're using a VPN or proxy, temporarily turn it off and try the download again. VPNs can sometimes route your traffic in a way that blocks or delays Chrome Web Store downloads. If that doesn't help, restart your router. This clears temporary network issues and can fix hidden bandwidth bottlenecks that may be affecting the download process. Once your connection is stable, go back to Chrome and try the extension install again. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is Chrome's safe browsing setting. Sometimes Chrome flags extension files too aggressively and stops the download even when the extension is safe. To test this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then open Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, then select Security. In the Safe Browsing section, temporarily switch to No Protection. Chrome will warn you that this is not recommended, and that's normal. The goal here is only to see whether safe browsing is causing the interruption. Try downloading the extension again while this setting is off. If it works, then you found the cause. Just remember to turn safe browsing back on immediately after testing, because leaving it disabled is not a good idea for long-term security. Now, if you're on a work or school computer or a managed Windows device, there may be an enterprise restriction blocking downloads. In that case, you'll need to check the Windows Registry. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and open the Registry editor. Then navigate to HKE, down current user, then software, then policies, then Google, then Chrome. Look for a policy called download restrictions. This setting controls what types of downloads Chrome is allowed to complete. If the value is set too strictly, it can block extension files and trigger the download interrupted message. Change the value from 1 to 4, which restricts only definitively malicious files, and then restart your browser so the policy refreshes. Be careful when editing the registry and only change the exact setting we discussed. If you're not comfortable editing the registry, it may be better to contact your administrator or skip this step. Another thing to check is disk space. If your system drive is almost full, Chrome may fail to save the extension package properly, which can also cause the download to stop halfway through. Open File Explorer or your storage settings and make sure you have enough free space on your drive. If needed, delete temporary files, clear your downloads folder, or uninstall unused apps to free up room. After that, try the extension install again. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the problem. So, to quickly recap, check your network and disable VPNs, test safe browsing, review any registry or enterprise download restrictions, and make sure you have enough disk space. Those are the main reasons Chrome extension downloads get interrupted. If you want more easy browser and tech tutorials, make sure you subscribe for more. And if this video helped you out, give it a like so more people can find a solution too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.